Welcome to this Units of Sound help video. Now, recent versions of Google Chrome have made it slightly more difficult to run Adobe Flash Player, and this is required for both Units of Sound and for the Units of Sound Practitioner course. In order to enable Flash, go to the website online.unitsofsound.com and to the Practitioner course, click on the little padlock, go to Site Settings, and here we can enable Flash for this particular site. The settings now require you to actually allow for every single site that you want to run Flash from. If we reload, this will now actually run Flash Player. The problem is that every time you close Chrome, those settings will be lost, and you'll have to do that every time you want to access Units of Sound. Now, we can make those settings sticky, and to do that, if we open a new tab, go to Chrome://flags, and here you have some more settings, and what we're looking for is the ephemeral flash setting. So type in part of ephemeral at the bit top here in the search box, and this is the one we're looking for, is the enable ephemeral flash permissions, and we need to change that to disabled, and this will now make our setting sticky. So if we launch Chrome, and we can now have a look here at Units of Sound. Although we have now closed and opened Flash, it's not asking for our setting. Now we can also go to the training course, click on the padlock, and also set this to allow. So Flash, allow, close those tabs, and again, now if we close and reopen Chrome, our settings are sticky. So we can see we can run from online Units of Sound, and also if we look here, Flash is set to allow, and that's to enable Flash for Units of Sound in Google Chrome.